Welcome to the Master and Dynamic product tutorial for the MH40 Wireless Over-Ear Headphones. These wireless headphones stay true to the design of our iconic MH40 wired over-ear headphones and feature high-performance 40mm neodymium drivers, as well as product upgrades including Bluetooth 5.0, 18 hours of battery life, and a beam-forming noise reduction mic array. The MH40 wireless headphones are made of premium materials including lightweight anodized aluminum, durable coated canvas with lambskin leather details inside the headband and ear pads, and come in several colors. Also included are a headphone pouch, USB-C to USB-A quick charge cable, and USB-C to 3.5mm auxiliary cable. The anodized aluminum keeps the headphones ultralight at 276 grams, 23% lighter than the original MH40 headphones. The magnetic memory foam earpads and underside of the headphone feature lambskin leather to ensure extra comfort during extended listening times. The stainless steel arms are adjustable to help you find your optimal fit. Additionally, the ear cups rotate for comfort around the neck or easy storage. To turn your headphones on, press and hold the power button located on the right ear cup. To pair your headphones, first ensure the headphones are powered off. Press and hold the power button until the white LED battery light starts to pulse. This indicates that the headphones are now in pairing mode. You can connect through the Bluetooth menu on your source device by selecting M&D MH40. A solid light indicates you are connected. The MH40 wireless headphones have the ability to pair to two devices at a time. After you connect to device 1, enter pairing mode again and the device will disconnect. Connect to the second device and turn the headphones off. Turn the headphones back on and they will automatically connect to both devices simultaneously. Pause one device and play from the other to swap the headphone connection. The volume controls are located on the right ear cup with a multi-function button in between. Press once to play and pause. Press twice to skip forward, 3 times to skip back. This button can also be used to answer and end phone calls. The MH40 Wireless is equipped with a USB-C charging port. To charge, plug in the USB connector and connect to a USB port. A solid orange light indicates charging, and the light will turn solid green once fully charged. The headphones charge to 50% in 30 minutes and to 100% in 80 minutes. When fully charged, the MH40 wireless headphones hold up to 18 hours of listening time. To check the battery status, tap the power button when paired to a device. The LED will flash green, orange, or red to indicate the battery level. The MH40 Wireless features the same detachable magnetic earpads as the original MH40. When you would like to replace your earpads, remove by gently pulling from the top, and the earpad will release. To reattach, snap the earpad back in line with the ear cup. The MH40 wireless headphones can be customized with different colored earpads. These accessories are available for purchase separately. Clean earpads and headphones with a soft, slightly damp cloth. Do not soak, submerge, or allow moisture to enter near the drivers or cable jacks. To commemorate our 5-year anniversary, each MH40 wireless over-ear headphone is engraved with a unique set of coordinates on the outer ear cup that represent some of our favorite places around the globe. To see where your headphones take you, visit our blog, The 10,000, at www.masterdynamic.com/coordinates. Thank you so much for listening. We hope that you enjoy your MH40 wireless over-ear headphones.